So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my minimalistic room tour, and yeah, that's all. That's what we're going to do. And then if you're new here, if you're watching this for the first time, thank you for clicking and stopping by. Kindly don't make it your last time by joining the family. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. Here we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and we do vlogs too, and we do a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in the above mentioned plus leveling up videos, you're going to find everything that is mentioned here. Make it a habit to like my videos and subscribe and stay, and then comment your favorite videos and tell me what you like to see. I just filmed a Q&A. I hope you watch that and I hope you enjoy. If you have any other questions, kindly drop them in the comment section. I'll be attending and then filming another Q&A. So with that all being said, I just like this. I have this switch on my left, and then I have this wide. So I just changed this bedroom. I decided to create a big filming, a wide filming space for myself, because that space, that position is really good for my sit down videos. However, I have a lot of spots here that I can use to film, but I really love this. And then I also decided to put this because I want to be taking my pics here. Like, it's really good and nice. So when you've just entered, this is my tiles. They look really nice. That is one thing I love about this bedroom. And then on my left, after the switch, there is this wide mirror. It got spoiled when they were putting it on a wall, but yeah, I'm still working with that. I don't know what I will do with that, but yeah. So it is big. And then I have those flowers, because this space is very big and wide, so I didn't want it to be very empty. That's why I put those bottles there. And then this is the mirror. And then when you come here, wow, I love it. I really love it. So previously that's not where my bed was, but I just changed it and I feel like it's really nice. I hope you can hear me, guys. I'm going to do this real quick. So this is the mirror, and then I can take pics from here. I can take pics from here. Like, it's really big, and I think I love it. I love it so much. Yeah. So that is my mirror. It's really nice. So that is it. And to the opposite side, I have my bed.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Sorry guys, I'm not going to be talking a lot because I'm editing and I caught flu, so I'm going to leave you watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. So opposite my mirror, there is my bed. I have those flowers there, and I made those bottles. It really transformed the place because my bed is white, and yeah, I think it really looks good. Enjoy the video. So for my beddings, I have unique beddings, I'm sure about that, and I love this bed cover a lot. I really love it. It's white, it's fluffy, and it is very warm. So someone might be asking why I buy my my bed covers and my beddings. Actually, I have an auntie that sells them, and they are so unique. For I usually put black sheets plus black bed covers, but today I decided to change to go for white and black to see how it looks like. Though I don't have black pillows, so that's why I opted for that. So actually, for those who might be wondering, that bed is big for one person actually. That is a 4x6 bed. I wanted to buy a 5x6, but I felt like I was just wasting money and it wasn't going to make sense for me. So that is a 4x6, and yeah, it's really comfortable. So on the right side from my bed, that is the right side from when I've just entered my bedroom, there is this dressing table plus that makeup mirror. I love that mirror so much. I have those, two of them, and then the big mirror that I showed you in the beginning. And then this is my dressing table. This is where I do my makeup from. Forget that wire that is crossing. That is where I do my makeup from, and I made that drawer, but however, it is nice. It looks really nice, but it's not what exactly I wanted. But yeah, we're working with it. So on my table, I put a few flowers, and then that flower vase, I have them. I think I have 5 of them in this house, and then I love flowers. You guys know that. So I put a flower vase, and then I put that bottle for Amara. I think it just looks good, really good. And yeah, enjoy this tour. So when I come to my get ready space or table, I have 6 drawers here, and each drawer has different things. I try to organize them accordingly so that I can always reach out to them whenever I want something. I don't have to look for them like a mad person. So yeah, this is my makeup mirror. When I'm doing makeup, I usually use this place, but sometimes I really need a close up like this. So yeah, I use this. So it broke, but I use that too. So I have from my scrub, this is my scrub, and then I put my hair products, some of my hair products here, just this one here. And then I have from powder, I have foundation, concealers, I have foundation. upside down. And yeah, that is a drawer for makeup. And then when we come here, we have this drawer. I don't have an organizer yet, but I'm hoping to get them, though not so soon, because I'm so comfortable with this. I have this spray for my hair. I have this spray too for my body, and then the lace. I recommend you guys, you should buy this. You should focus, honey. You should buy this. It really smells so good. I have my perfume. I have my jewelry here. I know I lose a lot of pins. It's almost empty. I also have these are my favorite pins. I love them so much, so fucking much. I love them. And then I have this for my necklaces. I have quite many. I think there are 6. And then I have my rings. I have this one too. I love gold. I love silver so much. You see this one that I'm putting on? The camera is misbehaving, but I have these. I have these. These are one of my favorites. I have these for my small fingers. And then in the second one, there's nothing here. There's just my documents. Most of my documents are here. My business documents, personal documents, and all that. And then here I have my inputs. That consists of knickers, pads. I have creams. I have what are these? I have liners, and then yeah, a lot here. So this is how I organize my knickers and my inputs. I just want this drawer to be really organized, because I can easily grab a knicker and then a pad and then socks and all that. Here I just have my swimming costumes. I just have 2 of them, and then this is my head cap for my swimming, and then I have bras and all that here. And then the last one, there is nothing much here. I just keep my when we come here, this is how the table looks like. Very nice, very minimalistic, very clean. I love the color, the shades of that. I love the handles. I chose these guys. This guy who makes for me furniture, I don't know, but I wish you can all get that from him. So down here I have my seat. I always sit here when I'm filming sometimes, or when I'm doing my makeup. I have my makeup bag or case, small case. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. It really looks nice. So it is simple and classy. It is very unique. I really don't like those makeup kits that they sell, so I decided to buy this for myself. And then I have this bag, small bag. This sometimes I use it when I'm going for swimming or when I'm going somewhere and then I need to get to pack some things, but primarily it's for my dryers. So all my dryers and my hair essentials. Come here. Actually, this is the last part of the room. I love it. It's always clean. Actually, this rack is always clean. So I made this rack last year, and guess what? It just transforms the room. I love it. So in most cases, I put my jackets, my jumpers, and then a few things that I don't want to fold.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts too
My
much.
shoes. So down here I have my shoes. I'm not a person of heels, but the few heels that I love them. I have my heels there. This is my favorite, actually. This is my favorite heel. I love it. I really love it, though I don't wear it that often. But yeah, I have those, and then I have my boots. I really love them. So I have under that rack I put open shoes because they don't really look good on this rack. So I put the open shoes, and then behind there I have all my sneakers, most of my sneakers, and others are in that bedroom, that other bedroom. The pink one, it consists of my extra oils, my body lotions, and all that. And then I have also this basket. I put my clothes, some of my clothes there. After washing them, I fold them, clean clothes, I fold them and put them there before I iron them and put them in the drawers.
To stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong